of the AICTE-sponsored 5-day Atal Academy program on productivity enhancement titled Technology, Industry and Education 4.0. So I take this opportunity to welcome the chief guest to the valedictory, Dr. K. Madhavi, Associate Professor and Head of the Department, Humanities and Social Sciences, NIT Warangal. Thank you for joining us, ma'am, and thank you all the participants for staying back and joining us for the valedictory. So to take you all through a quick overview of the FTP. The FTP began on 3rd November 2020 with this launch session by the director of NIT Warangal, Professor N.V. Ramana Rao, director. And the session was on online education, the new normal, and followed by the session by the head of the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences and our chief guest today, Dr. K. Madhavi, on global research of OECD learning. And that set the stage right for the FTP. And then the entire program was built on those sessions and followed by a session on stress management by Sahaja Yoga, and later on a session by me on Education 4.0 introduction. We looked at disruptive technologies, gamification. We had hands-on gamification session by Dr. Manu Melvin Joy, and we also looked at various tools and applications that we can use, especially in Education 4.0 setting. It was great session by Professor K.V. Jayakumar sir on NEP 2020 and its connection and implications for education, higher education and Education 4.0. Yesterday's session by Dr. John Jose from IIT Guwahati on classroom pedagogy in the new normal, where we looked at how assessments can be conducted online in Education 4.2, and we also looked at how education system can be sustained, how to in this pandemic situation, and how we can make sure that the environment sustainability is also baked into our system. Today morning, the session by Professor Amlan Bhattacharya, where he talked about technology, industry, and education, and he tied together all three to show us how they're all interlinked and how we can encourage our students to go ahead and prepare themselves for the industry of the future that they want, followed by the last session before now on content authoring tools by Dr. Raj Mohan from NIT Warangal, where we've actually had hands-on experience of creating videos and courses like on many popular websites. And the last session just now was on lab practice and tools and applications, and we looked at how differently we can create courses, create teasers, submit assignments, give feedback, share information using the tools and applications that we've explored, learned in the 5-day FTP on technology, industry, and Education 4.0. So thank you all for your participation, and thank you for being great audience, and thank you for all the inputs that you shared with us, all the participation, all the feedback. Now it's time for you to share feedback. We request you to unmute yourself. I'm going off. I'm stopping the presentation so that you could turn on your cameras and your microphones and share feedback, please. The forum is now open for feedback.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is Harish from PSG Institute of Management, Coimbatore. Overall, a fantastic video, fantastic session. So many things that we learned, and actually, it's too much of information. And we're actually excited to try it on. And definitely, the timing was perfect because of the pandemic scenario, and awesome initiative, great effort by the entire team. And thanks to one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. Dear participants, please feel free to turn on your camera and your microphone.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anil. I have experienced a very good 5 days learning program. It has enriched our knowledge. I am thankful to the team NIT Warangal, and I am also thankful to the AICTE for organizing such a very good and interactive program, innovative program, we can say the TIE 4.0. It is totally knowledgeable in the new normal situations. We are learning a lot of things through electronic medium, and no doubt we are thankful to NIT Warangal team. Very thank you very much to you and your team, ma'am. Uh, Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for that feedback. Do we have any other participants who would like to share feedback?
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Shraddhanjali from Dreams MBA.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, the best part I liked in this FTP was how to assess the overall knowledge. The technique used here is the best, I guess. Actually, this is the applied part which we also want from our students. So I would rate it 5, and I got many new experiences and many new knowledge from this FTP. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Do we have any other participants who would like to share feedback?
Ma'am, can I?
Please, sir, please feel free.
Yeah, ma'am, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, AICTE, for this brainstorming 5 days session. Definitely the new teachers as well as the experienced one, all of them have enlightened, and they can take education ahead of technology, which will create tomorrow's leader. And they are our students, and in a comfortable manner, because this transition state needs a confident teacher who can lead the generations by creating a knowledge that can transform into a wisdom of students' life. Thank you, ma'am, for your enlightening session and your words, what inspired us during these 5 days. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, may I?
Patnaik, sir, please.
Thank you. At the outset, let me thank the Honorable Chairman of the AICTE, Anil Sahasrabuddhe sir, for taking all the initiative to establish this Atal Academy, which has opened a great opportunity for learning, as the name itself suggests. It has served its purpose in letter and spirit. And I thank the NIT Warangal Director Sir N.V. Ramana Rao sir for his very simple and prolific inaugural address to us. And this platform has opened up the opportunity to interact with the resource persons and also the various participants. And it has opened up a new way to how to learn the things and how to take it forward. And we look forward to many such opportunities to be considered for us. And I thank our Spurti Madam, the coordinator, who has been an Spurti, inspiration and motivation behind the program for us. And also our Madhavi Madam for all her support to make the program a grand success. And I thank for giving this opportunity to share my views about the FDP. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, hi, Dr. Purti.
Hello. Yes, Deepesh, sir, please.
Yes. At the outset, I should thank AICTE and NIT Warangal, and especially Dr. Spurti for coordinating this program, because when there are some FDPs you do in order to earn a certificate, but there are some which you do because the title and the choice for resource persons are exciting and intriguing. So this was one such FTP for me. I've done, I don't know how many FTPs, and I've not given feedback on any of them using my video mode or audio mode. I'm giving feedback because I think it was really good. It was enriching. For me, it was a bit of an issue because my college gets over, we go to college every day, and my college gets over at 3:40, and I have to drive back, and I reach home at around this time, 4:10, 4:05. So I actually literally put on my afternoon sessions on in order to catch up. So in that case, in that sense, it was an exciting 5 days, excellently managed. Lots of great ideas in many sessions, and it's amazing that you've collected all of that into in a channel, a YouTube channel, and also the WhatsApp group is extremely active. I think if somebody keeps their notifications off for about 2 hours, then there must be around 1,000 notifications, 1,000 messages on that group. So very active group. So hats off to Dr. Spurti and the entire team at NIT Warangal, and also of course thank you to AICT. Thank you very much.
Hello,
Thank you,
Smriti
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you very much. Yes, Jeevan sir.
Good evening, all. I'm Professor Jeevan Chandra from Chaitanya Institute of Technology, Warangal. Now it has been converted into deemed university. This Atal FTP program has provided an essential platform to learn the teaching learning activities. Whatever the programs that we are stimulated are very nice. I have learned so many things like clip, as well as so many online tools like CAT, as well as the other essential tools, video platforms. These all are enable us to learn so many modules. Really very exciting, and this will enhance the learning ability of the students as well as the teachers, because teaching is a dynamic sector which needs a continuous learning process. So this program has provided a platform. Thank you, Spurti Madam, for providing us all the essential components in the learning activities. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Pleasure, sir. Thank you for your feedback.
Hello,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is Dr. Shikha here from Lucknow.
Yes, Shika ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am, for providing all of us such a wonderful platform. I just want to say that your name matches with your energy. So I really inspired and motivated with your energy, and try to be little like you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That's a huge compliment. Thank you very much.
So again, one from Lucknow. So this is Dr.
All
Vibhuti.
right. Do we have anything? Yes, ma'am.
ILM Lucknow. So first of all, hats off to Dr. Spurti. You've very nicely conducted and coordinated the entire event. There were, I guess, last moment hiccups where someone withdrawn, from the event, and you even managed that meticulously. So and then the topic is so relevant and so current, and it actually tells us how to stay relevant in the current market, and how to actually make our students relevant and job ready and market ready. So I personally found it very meticulously planned and very nicely implemented, and we really learned a lot. And I've just submitted the feedback, and I'm happy that I rated 5. Why I rated 5? Because the resource person was so good. They were so captivating, and we did not felt bored or maybe stressed or maybe left out at any point of time. So it was really very nicely conducted and very well coordinated. So hats off to the entire team, of course, and to you especially. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Mahinder sir.
Yes, ma'am. This program was very nice, and especially at present scenario, we have to improve. We as a teacher, we have to improve ourselves because the students are according to new technology. And I am so inspired by you and all your team, ma'am, that we have to do a lot for student. Yeah. And another question is that as I have done earlier in FTP course, there was a 20 questions, and we answered that question. But is there any such type of test or not? Hello.
So there is no test as such, sir. Like we had discussed earlier, there will be no MCQ or a test to test your memory. It's application of the learning. The details are as we shared earlier. Thank you, sir.
Assignment is our whole
Correct.
soul.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank you.
nice,
Thank you,
great
sir.
day, ma'am. Thank you.
You too. You too.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great. Thank you. So, yes, sir. Vijay Babu, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Really, it is from my bottom of heart that I must congratulate you. Really, it's a wonderful FDP that I have ever attended. I have attended 7 FDP so far, and even orientation programs and refresher courses. But I never felt that I don't miss this session. I don't miss this part at least. In that way, that the program you managed and you have led the total entire 5 days program app. It is the total coordination, even the restless what we call your efforts from even late night night around 2 o'clock also you are on job guiding or something encouraging, supporting. That's really made the event big success. Really, it is success in terms with learning, education. This is one kind of you have given a model to the teachers, even experienced teachers, that interactive, motivating, and hands-on experience. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you very much to AICTE, Atal, TIE, FDP, all your team, department. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Great. Thank you. Thank you all for your feedback. If we do not have anybody, can we now move on? All right.
Hello, I would like to say something.
Yes, Dipali, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Dipali Akolkar from Smart Fun Activity Center, Pune. I see a lot of people here who are much more, what you can say, much more active, much more learned, and much more talented people here. Actually, the reason for me to get into this education sector from software field was there that I wanted to change. I wanted to expand the horizon of learning in India. And this FDP is definitely enriching and gave great ideas of what all we can possibly include in our education system or in our lesson plans, and to bring in the positive change that we expect. Basically, I cater to unique activities, hands-on activities, and definitely these things that I learned here will definitely help me to take my teachings to the next level. And I'm glad to learn everyone's viewpoint about learning, and I've learned a lot, many time-saving tricks here. And hats off to your patience, Pruti ma'am. And thanks to the entire team of Atal FDP Warangal. Thank you so much for allowing me to join this session.
Pleasure, ma'am. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you, and thank you for the feedback. Great. So thank you very much, everybody, for wonderful feedback and of all the feedback in the chat window as well. Thank you very much. I'm glad you liked it very much. Let's move on. And now I take this opportunity and request the chief guest, Dr. K. Madhavi, to share her reflections on the conduct of the FTP. Please, ma'am. Ma'am, you're on mute. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Spurti. A very pleasant evening to the esteemed participants of the All India Council for Technical Education sponsored 5-day Atal Academy program on productivity enhancement. And I'm glad to be part of this valedictory session, and I congratulate all the enthusiastic participants who have really felt that they are carrying useful and constructive takeaways back to their classroom, and they would cherish on all the inputs shared by resource persons from on diverse areas, from different domains, and you have got a great enriching and wonderful learning experience. And to talk about NIT, it has always been a hub of several academic activities, perennially ongoing, and Atal in that sense stands unique. Of late, of course, AICT has taken the initiative, or rather it has pioneered to disseminate technical education and online tools across teaching community, especially to groom teachers in these lines during pandemic times. So in that context, I think series of, this is the 4th in series, and I congratulate Dr. Spurti for her wonderful dynamic initiation in successfully completing the 4th as well. I guess 3 earlier ones were conducted offline, and 2, this is a second FDP conducted online with same impetus and different participants, and we have restricted, I'm told, the number of participants to very small number in order to make it effective, and also to overcome the discrepancies caused by technology due to network, etc. And when we look at the role of a teacher, modern teacher, we have been experiencing a phenomenal or a transnational stage, as aptly mentioned by one of the participants. This is a stage of transition where we depart from the traditional modes of teaching and try to adapt, or rather adopt new techniques. So with that objective, the FDP has been conceptualized, and it stands unique without any overlaps of earlier programs. The participants are unique. I mean, they're different. Perhaps I see all new faces and new names as opposed to earlier participants who attended the course. And this is something very heartening to know that we are trying to, disseminate knowledge across every corner, nook and corner of the country successfully. And that this has been possible only with your participation, with your motivation, and I'm glad we could also sustain your attention levels all through these 6 days, because attending to online classes has its own limitations and constraints. So given all that, you could sustain and benefit from the 5-day Atal program with in all the sessions, like various sessions held on different topics that were already mentioned by Spurti. Let me check if I could try to reflect on some of them. So I also take this opportunity to thank all the resource persons in absentia, whoever had delivered their valuable inputs during the conduct of this FDP. I think, of course, we thank immensely Professor N.V. Raman Rao sir for his enthusiasm and motivation in encouraging us in conducting such programs, and of course for the input shared during the inaugural session. And we are also thankful to Professor K. Vijay Kumar sir, Professor from Civil Engineering Department, and I take this opportunity to thank other resource persons, Dr. John Jose, Dr. Ambika, Dr. Manu Melvin, Dr. Raju Mohan, and Dr. Debashish Ghosh, and we also have Mr. Sai Satish, CEO, Indian Service. And I would like to quote that a teacher ignites the fire that fuels a student's thirst for knowledge, curiosity, and wisdom. So the workshop has really stimulated you. It has ignited that fire in you to apply new techniques, try out new methods back to your workplace. And as the quote given in the brochure also reads by W.B. Yeats, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. So as teachers, greater responsibility lies on our shoulders to ignite this kind of spark among the student community, because they are living in the digital era, and they're constantly preoccupied with various aversions or distractions. So amidst all those, we need to draw them to the classroom, draw them to the lessons that we teach, regardless of the subjects taught by you. So in that context, the task of a modern teacher is not only to cut the jungles, but to irrigate modern deserts. So that is the challenge which we go through ahead of us. And this kind of FDP, this FDP stands befitting to equip ourselves to combat and overcome these challenges in the classroom and the pedagogy very successfully. So once again, I congratulate all of you for joining this FDP, for successfully attending it. And I hope you will be able to reap this only when you go back and employ them with same impetus. Let your impetus not die or fade away with time. So please preserve all the materials that have been forwarded by Dr. Spurti in a folder, and time to time, please do refer to them. And I'm sure in the WhatsApp group, you would be anyway active. I think so far we have created 4 or 5 WhatsApp groups. I'm utterly confused with, it's a mess. But then Spurti is quite agile and alert to recognize you. So do keep in touch with us, with NIT. So look forward for more associations and academic exchanges with all of you, with your institutes, wherever possible. So thank you very much. Thank you and congratulations, Dr. Spurti, for the wonderful initiation. So thank you so much. See you all then. Good luck. Good luck to you. Yeah.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so much for acting.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Spurti,
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a link for you in the chat box. Please click it, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Is that Nida, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do that. Thank you.
And ma'am, please present your screen as well.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me do that then. Ma'am, can I do that with your permission?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, ma'am. Give me 1 minute.
I'm surprised the participants have in store for you. I guess so. Yeah.
I'm trying to open the link and I'm presenting the window.
There's a link by Nida.
Yes, ma'am. I'm creating that.
Okay.
Are you able to see this? I mean, are you able to see my screen? Participants?
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. I'll share it again. Thank you, Nida, ma'am. This is
The best coordinator award goes to Dr. Spurti. Wonderful. Round of applause.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. And
That's so
thank
sweet
you,
of you.
NIT Warangal.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. That's so sweet of you. So, all right. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, Madhavi, madam, for actually putting everything into the nutshell and presenting it. And thank you for encouraging our participants to come back to us. And we hope we would have an opportunity to meet all of them on campus someday. And thank you again.
Sure. So we are growing. Our network
Yes,
is
ma'am,
expanding diversely and widely.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
thank you. So I'll sign off now. I'll take it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. So that brings
okay,
us
we
to
have
the end of the session, ma'am. We will play the national song and then we will.
Yeah, sure.
So that brings us to the end of the FDP, dear participants. And I take the opportunity to thank all the participants for being energetic, active, and enthusiastic learners, especially our director, Professor N.V. Ramana Rao, for inspiring mentorship, for encouraging us constantly and cooperation and support. Dr. K. Madhavi, for her time, patience, and always allowing us to think out of the box and supporting us and reassuring us all through. And special thanks to Ravi Prakash. You've seen me doing a lot of work in front of the screen, but behind the screen, there's a lot of work that Ravi has been doing, and I thank him for all the support and the work that he's done so beautifully and helped in making sure that this FDP went on seamlessly. I thank the chairman AICTE, Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe, Vice Chairman AICTE, NP Pune, Member Secretary AICTE, Professor AP Metal, Director of AI Atal Academy, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni and Dr. U. Ramesh for the initiative and constant support. I thank all of you for your interest, and I would like to thank all your families again for supporting you in the last 5 days and being with you, helping you learn and taking all those tasks up while you were busy taking care of your family and your children while you were busy attending and learning. Thank you again for your participation, and thank you for being a great audience. Now the national song will be played, and to close the to mark the closure of the FDP, and I request all the participants to stand where they are while the national song.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everybody. Can you now turn on your camera? Can you all now turn on your cameras for a group picture, please? And I request all the participants to also take a picture from your side, because the grid will be different. Take a screenshot, or please do share all the pictures in the WhatsApp group, because I see 9 participants here and there are about 90 on the call. So please take pictures from your phone or computer as well. Take the screenshot and do share it with us. Thank you. So if we are ready, I'm taking the screenshot. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you again for being great audience. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, again. Bye-bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Just take care and stay safe. Enjoy
you, ma'am.
your
Thank you.
family
Thank
time.
you.
Hope to see you sometime.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pleasure, sir. Pleasure.
Thanks a lot.
You need rest, so please take care.
Madam.
Sir.
Thank you so much, and stay connected. We all will learn even more.
Madam.
Pleasure, ma'am. Pleasure. So, sir, Patnaik, sir.
Would you please share the participant details to us, madam?
Background noise. I'm sorry, there's some background noise.
Madam, will you please share the participants details, their name, organization, where they are from?
Sir, data breach, they are on the WhatsApp group, but then sharing details could be data violation, sir. So I'll check with the participants in the WhatsApp group. If they're okay with us sharing information, I'll go ahead and check. That's no problem.
See, madam, name and numbers are there, but you don't know who is working where. That organization you do not know.
I know. The Google Form link that we share every day will have all that information. I'll quickly check with them if they're okay with it.
Yeah, madam, only if the other members submit, then only do it, madam. It is a request.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You are awesome.
My pleasure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. You've been great audience too. Thank you. All right, you enjoy your Saturday. I'm sorry for taking out time from your Saturday.
No,
So
no, ma'am.
I
You
promise.
actually need rest. Since last night you are working day and night, so
Just one more day. Tonight, I'm going to work uploading the videos. Just go through it and upload the videos. Tomorrow, I'm going to look at your PPTs and then, I mean, the
yes,
links,
take
and
care,
it's all
ma'am.
done. Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am. Thank you very much.
take care.
Thank you, Mr. Great. Shanmukh sir, are you trying to say something? We cannot hear you. Are you saying something, sir? I mean, we're not able to hear you. Right. I see participants leaving the room. I will be here till you all leave, like a nice host. So I hope we all stay in touch. The group will be open, will be available, and we can always stay in touch.
Madam, you have given the video links, na, madam, for the entire program.
Yes, sir.
So the thing is that suppose I want to know one particular session, I am not in a way. I need to play the entire video and see where it is. Have you recorded in a break form or continuously? For example, it is
Sir,
1.5
no,
hours.
I have, sir. Every session is uploaded separately. For example, inaugural and director session is one video. Madhuri Madam's is another video. My session is another video. So all sessions are uploaded separately.
No, I'm not asking resource person wise. I'm asking about the content wise, madam. For example, suppose I want to know about the EdTed regarding that, how to do it, or suppose I want to go courseware. So
that's a lot of editing, sir. That's a lot of editing. So you can just, now that you don't have to download anything, it's all on YouTube. So just move forward and then go to the time then where
the only way is that keep scrolling ahead and stop and view. That's all.
It's a lot easier that way, sir, because else I mean, there is a lot of editing that is there.
Except this, I just wanted to know from your side whether any other way to do it. So that's only asked you. Is there any other way to
There
view?
are other ways of So there are other ways of it, but then you can download it and then edit it if you wish to. But then that is too tedious, sir. I mean,
so this is the simplest way. Just play it and stop it and watch. That's all.
Yeah, easiest way possible.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I see that Rajmohan sir joined the call. Thank you, sir, for joining in. We're just done with the valedictory. Thank you again for joining in.
Rajmohan sir, thank you for all your support on this online tools, madam. Nicely you have explained, Rajmohan sir.
Sir, you're on mute. We cannot hear you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Valedictory is over or is going
just
on?
Now. We just got over, sir. Participants are leaving.
Oh, fine.
But madam,
there is another program going on.
Sir, Rajmohan sir, you were not there, but
yes,
madam has quoted your name in the valedictory, and on behalf of everybody, she has appreciated your support to behind the screen work to bring the program a success. She has quoted your name and mentioned you about you, madam. Madam was mentioning about you.
Yeah.
So
thank you,
thank you, Dr. Rajmohan sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being great audience again. I see that we still have 42 participants on the call. I'm stopping the recording now, but then I'm not ending the call yet. So, do you have any questions directed to me or any of us? You can just let